alone on the shelf, despite all my wealth. I've just taught myself. I took some pills from the bathroom cabinet, stuck the TV on, played with myself for an hour or two, till my eyelids started to close. I've just taught myself. Carrying on, it's so futile all the while. I don't like my suits, I don't like my house. I just divorced cause I couldn't stand my spouse. I've just taught myself. I just taught myself. Laying down on the bed, things are getting fuzzy in my head. I can't remember exactly what I took, but it's not painful, so I don't give a fuck. I've just taught myself. Just taught myself. Things are slowing down. Soon enough I won't be around to experience this world of pain and boredom. All the meanness, the sarcasm. I just taught myself. I just taught myself. And you're not gonna miss me. I just taught myself. You'll all feel really guilty. I just taught myself, and I hope you rot in your own fuck. I just taught myself. I hope you all feel really shit. I just